Ladies and gentlemen, in anticipation for brand new bands and brand new Apple products being released very soon, I have decided to give you guys a small little treat today. You see, bandaholics take band collecting very seriously, and for today's video, we have a very unique and pretty rare band. This is the Close Your Rings Employee Special Edition Sport Loop that was distributed internally to just Apple employees who close their activity rings every day for 30 days straight back a couple years ago. There is a woven nylon variant. I don't have that one yet, but I did manage to get the Sport Loop variant here on eBay. I must say, it's really nice having this unique band, especially since it was loot for only those Apple employees who bit the bullet and hit grind mode for that band. But anyways, guys, hope you all enjoy. I'm trying to start this new series of rare Apple Watch bands, so this is episode 1. Let's see how it goes. Let's roll straight into the intro. This is going to be a quick one. So a little backstory about me and my obsession with Apple Watch bands. I bought my first ever Apple Watch back in 2018, months before the Series 3 was announced. It had to have been summer, I believe. So I bought my aluminum Series 2 and got the Nike variant with the gray and white perforated Nike Sport Band. I went into an Apple store once and saw all the different bands they had. It was mesmerizing. It was like adding a nice little twist to your whole fit. There were all kinds of styles, colors, and sizings. It was also amazing to me. So I bought a second band, which was a woven nylon, and that's where it all started. I started with 2 bands, and now I have over 130. Actually 178 if I want to be exact, with the new batch of bands coming out pretty soon. Man, I'm excited for those. But my point is, I missed out on so many bands prior to 2018 basically, but now I'm really trying to secure them all, so hopefully I do that one day. Huge shout out, by the way, to the entire Apple Watch band community. I have never seen such a wonderful group of people who come together all in the name of Apple Watch bands. Special shout out to my boy Mike Dopp and Tox Trepla over on Twitter, who fuel my band collecting by sending me pictures of bands I do not yet have, but that I probably need in my life ASAP. So thanks, guys. But back to the star of the show. This is it. This was the reward Apple employees received who closed all 3 of their activity rings, that being their move, exercise, and stand goals every day for 30 days straight. When Apple employees received their loot, they were greeted by this nice little card congratulating them for basically being active. The card reads, "Closure at last," followed by a nice little motivational speech encouraging you to stunt your fresh new band. And I mean, why wouldn't you? Open it up and it is securely held in place by this holder. And on the back, we don't get much other than our sizing. In my case, this is a 42 or 44 millimeter band, but there of course was also a 38/40 millimeter variant. The ring on the front of the card is also indicative of further status, as it can either be gold, silver, or bronze, presumably to represent those who far exceeded their fitness goals past the required amount. For example, the card with gold ring could be for those in the top 10%, etc. Of course, with the nature of limited edition items, especially when it comes to Apple, this Close Your Ring Sport Loop is not sold by Apple and never was sold by them. This is what makes this band so rare and unique. I was able to obtain it online on eBay. There are a bunch of reputable sellers out there. Just make sure you do your research and buy from someone trusted. Regular Sport Loops are sold by Apple for $49 a pop. However, since this band was never sold by Apple and was intended for internal use, it's not uncommon to find this band on online resale sites like eBay for anywhere from about $150 if you're lucky, up to $250 for some auctions I've seen out there. It can get pricey when Apple Watch bands are already pretty expensive for the average individual. The sad part is, by cutting it out of the plastic holder, it probably reduced its resale value by a good $20 to $30. People pay a premium for the band and any special edition holder it comes in. It's like taking off the sticker on a snapback. Like, it's just things you don't do in this world, bro. If you think you're having deja vu, it's because you probably are, because this band is exactly the same as the regular Sport Loop that I have right here. This regular black Sport Loop, I believe you can still buy on the Apple website. It's just kind of an icon, I guess. Of course, the only difference is that the plastic pieces are molded in colors to match the exercise, stand, and move rings on the limited edition version. I just absolutely love when companies do this kind of stuff. A wellness challenge that is a win-win for everyone. Employees are healthier, Apple employees all the way down to the retail level all got a chance to participate and make an impact on their health and get a dank prize at the end of all of it. Apple typically holds this special internal competition every year around February for Heart Month. I particularly like how this band looks on the darker color casings like this black stainless steel Apple Watch I have. It goes great with any casing material or color though, but that black on black really makes those blue, red, and green really pop. I can only imagine how amazing this band would look on a white ceramic watch, doesn't matter what series. Unfortunately, this one here is not for sale as I am determined to collect them all one day, but I really hope you found this jewel interesting and entertaining. I really cannot wait for this new batch of fall 2020 bands and all the new styles. That video will be up hours after FedEx delivers my bands, I promise you. I'm so excited and I've decided to choose 4 winners this time for my quarterly band giveaways, up from 2, for no reason whatsoever other than being so thankful and grateful for the amazing subscribers I have. But guys, drop down in the comment section what rare band you would like to see next. Also, let me know if you're excited for all the new colors, all the new styles, and all the new mix-up and matchups you can do with the new blue and product red aluminum casing Series 6 watches. My goodness, they look amazing. There's just so many rare bands out there, and I want to know which band you guys have your eyes on. Until next time, guys, you'll be seeing a lot from me, especially after Apple's September event. So until then, guys, please be safe, and as always, I'll catch you all in my next video. Peace.